Hi, I'm Chris, and you're watching a series on how to film and capture the moment on a Huawei phone. One of the main features that separate interchangeable lens cameras and smartphones is the ability to adjust the depth of field using the aperture. The smartphone enables you as the videographer to adjust the point of focus, giving you a bokeh effect in your shots. Bokeh creates a soft and elegant background blur effect and draws attention to the main subject. This effect isolates the subject away from the background and gives more focus and clarity to what is happening in the scene. To access the bokeh effect, simply launch the camera app, swipe right to the first option, Aperture, then take your video as per normal. The bokeh, or the shallow depth of field effect, is widely used in both films and photography. Open the video taken and tap the iris icon in the top right of the screen. Then tap into the video where you'd like to focus. Use the slider at the bottom of the video to adjust the depth of field. Click the tick to save the video. Aperture mode is a key function in storytelling. It helps you guide your viewer and draw their focus and attention in any given moment. And Huawei has completely simplified this process for anybody to produce professional videos.